back, and if new here, welcome. So today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you. My house is a disaster. Okay, so here is the kitchen. I've gathered all the dishes that I'm about to tackle. My stove, I've already cleaned this out, down everything else in here. So this is a before. But we walked to Walmart to grab some dinner. In between cleaning. Oh, finally, these are in stock. Okay, this is my little amount that I have to get in this little carton. But I got some chicken and hand soaps and all that stuff under here. Finally made it home. Made it back home. Went on a little journey and got groceries. Now I'm about to wash my hands, take my jacket off, and throw this chicken into the crock pot. I have 2 packs of chicken thighs, chicken packets back into these little bags that I got from the grocery store, and then I just put it inside of another bag like this to dispose of it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this chicken seasoned. This is just a half of onion. Okay, we're just gonna let this cook down for a little bit. Okay, it's been about 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Okay, so my kitchen is clean. Everybody's about to come home from dinner. I made rice. And here's the chicken. Okay. Okay, so my load is almost done drying, and everything else turned out so good in here. I feel like I got something accomplished. When everybody go to bed, I'm gonna use this and finish wiping the floors again. And it just looks so nice and cozy in here. So here goes this. Here's my bed. So I had a yard of crushed red velvet fabric, and I just made it into a bow. How cute and festive is that? I think it's so pretty. So pretty. And then these I just picked up the other day from Burlington. It was a pack of 2 and they were only $16.99. I just like the little rhinestone detail on the pillow. So here goes these. And the lights on the back is just a LED strip, and I can change and put whatever color I want. So if I want green, but the red is cute. So that's all that is a LED strip. I get questions all the time about it, and this is how the strip looks, just like that. And cut it off so you can sew. There, see? It's just an LED strip, and then I just have it stuck on the top of my bed, just like that. And so here goes. That is so darling. This bow is so cute. Dinner, chicken and rice with veggies on the side. So this will be our dinner for tonight.